Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I make my baked macaroni and cheese. It's easy, beginners friendly, and it's delicious. Me and my son will be putting everything together today for Thanksgiving, so I decided why not record and let the people know how I make my baked macaroni and cheese, and maybe you guys would like to follow my recipe. So if you guys would like to see how I got this dish, continue watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by Kiki. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to put in one tablespoon of the MAGGI pollo chicken bouillon. Just going to mix that in. That'll give your pasta noodles some flavor. I use the DELUXE noodles. I'm not gonna use the cheese this time. I got that from my mom. She always used that, so that's what I always use. And I usually use the cheese also that's inside, but this year I'm gonna use the VELVEETA cheese. So I'm using 2 boxes. So you're gonna let that boil. You know, you don't want it to get too soggy, so let that boil for like a good 8 minutes. Now I'm gonna prepare my cheese. Alright, so I have my different cheeses. Let's see. So I have my 1 egg, my pepper. I'm making ice in the background, guys. Pepper jack cheese, VELVEETA cheese, sharp cheddar, and sharp white cheddar. Those are the cheeses I will be using, and a 1.5 cups of milk. So let's cut this cheese up, guys. This cheese. So these two have to be cut up. So there's my cheeses. I have a 1/2 cup of white cheddar, 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar, a few pieces of pepper jack, and then a few pieces of the VELVEETA. So now let's head back over to the pot. So I'm gonna add 1 egg. Alright, so 1 egg, mix. I'm gonna butter my pan. My oven is on 375 because I just made my candy yams. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Yeah.
Because it is Thanksgiving Day. I'm gonna add my noodles. Noodles. Now let's make our cheese sauce. So you're gonna add a 1/2 stick of butter. Let that melt. Some people add flour. I do not add flour. My mother never added flour, and I'm not gonna add flour today. So to each his own. So I'm gonna add my 1.5 cups of milk. Let that get to a slight boil. Then cheese time. Alright, so we got our milk to some boil. Now we're going to add the cheese. Make sure your fire is on low heat. So then you're stirring your cheeses. Stir your cheese in until it melts. Let it sit. Let's get that cheese sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 ground black pepper. And that's all I put, because I have the pepper jack cheese, so there's the little bit of spice. And then just mix it all together and let your cheese melt. And I'm gonna add a handful of the white sharp cheddar. I thought the camera was on when I was pouring in my cheese sauce, but it wasn't, so I poured in my cheese sauce. Mix it in. Get it all in the noodles. Mix it in. Add in a handful of sharp cheddar, and I'm just gonna mix it in. 2 handfuls, another one.
Good job.
So I'm gonna mix it in. Then we're gonna layer it with some cheese. Cover it and put it in the oven for about 40 minutes till it gets brown, to your liking. So now we're gonna sprinkle the cheese. I like a lot of cheese. And I'm gonna add a little bit of sharp cheddar. Alright, so it's all cheesy. I forgot something. Hold on. I sprinkle a little bit of parsley. So now I'm going to put it in the oven uncovered on 375 for about a good 30-35 minutes. So I'll be back. Alright guys, the macaroni and cheese has come out the oven. Can you see it? Nice and cheesy and brown. Look at that. You see that? All that cheese. So guys, that's that for the macaroni and cheese. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed. Bye-bye.